Open the app, Pixel apps. So now we start. I want to design my brand logo. My brand name, Mobile Graphics. Space it, Mobile Graphics Design. Save. Let me center it. I want to design my brand logo. Design. May just use something short, like since my brand logo, brand name is Mobile Graphic Design. May just start to try something very strange since it's a logo. First of all, I will increase the size to 777. Let's create here and center it and lock it, because if I don't lock it, I will be able to push it, but if I lock it, I won't be able to push it unless I use the relative position to put it on center. That is it. I will need to change the font color to make it unique. Let me check this. I want a nice full color. This one go well. Yeah, I need to shift it a bit, so that I can put another content there. To push it, I use this position here. Turn it, push it, push it. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, okay. I will insert another text. So I need the same font. Not of me going the long process, I just copy it. After copy, I just edit. My name is Mobile Graphic Design. That's the name of my brand, Mobile Graphic Design. So M stands for mobile, G is for graphics. Here we go. To push it this way, save it. The position as well. Push it here. Push it here. Push it. I mean, this really makes sense. But I should just cover that space I need to. To cover that space I need to. Just pushing. That is it. That really go well. Sure, it go well. I like it. But let me cover the dots on top of it. First of all, I've logged it. Let me cover the dots here and the dots from here. So we just click it again. Just go to the position and reduce this I need to, because I need to be moving gently. I don't want it to be fast. I need to reduce the movement. Now it's good. That is it. That is it. The next thing now is just to change. What should I change here? It's just to image it. So I image it. That is it. I image it. That is okay for it. After measuring it, I'll make it stand on center. Stand on the center of the background. I've locked it already. Also change the color, because the color is not clear, because I've imaged it. Also make it white as well. But they really go well, but this is the color I like most. This is the color I like most. That is it. Go now I will change the background of this color. This go I should make it white. This really go this is my brand logo. I stroke it. We just like doing some fancy with stroking, so I just stroke it with black. Wow, that is it. I have it. That's it. Look nice. That's my brand logo. Now next is just to insert some text here. I will just add my slogan. This is my slogan. Slogan is smartphone is smarter. Smartphone is smarter. That is my slogan. Just put 3 dots from here to make the design wonderful. Reduce the size. Reduce the size to 20. Push it into bit. That is it. Just push it into. Reduce this so that I will push it upward. Reduce it. Push it. That is it. Change the text color to black. The color to black. And also change the fold, because the fold does not allow the text color to change. So I will change. So I will change the slogan folds to make it look nice. So fine. Let me go with this one. No, it's not good. This one is better. That is it. Need to drag it a little. Here is it. My logo. Oh, it is nice. So if I want to save it now, I'll press here. First of all, when I do my design, first of all I will save it as project. In case I want to redesign it, I can just remove it from project and redesign it. So we click on project. I will use name as logo. I've saved it on my project. Next, let me save it to my device. Save as image. When you save as image, you save it direct to your own device. You can just check it out, upload it anywhere. So save it. I'll first of all save it as a JPG format, in a JPG format. That is it. Later I will save it as a PNG, sincere logo, PNG format. That is it. Let's check it out how it looks from the device. Wow, that is it. Look nice. This is the this is it. Look nice, good design. That is it. You can do all this with your smartphone. You can create any logo of your own choice using your own smartphone. Check the description for the link to download the apps and link to the tutorial. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates.